Good morning everyone. In this section we will discuss about new chapter measurement. So first of all we will discuss about its definition. Measurement is to find a number that shows the amount of something. A measurement unit is a standard quantity used to express a physical quantity. So it means measurement is to find something, to measure something, like when we go to market to purchase a cloth. So how shopkeeper give you cloth, it will give you in the meter form, like cloth, he will measure cloth in meter, like 3 meter, 4 meter. So if you want to find the cloth in meter, it will be in meter. To measure the small length, it will be in centimeter. So when we cross the distance by car, so to find the distance in, it will be in kilometer. So there are different kinds of length: millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. So first of all discuss about millimeter. Millimeter is to find the very short length. Very short length. Like the tip of pencil. Tip of pencil is very short length, so we will find it in millimeter. Okay. So next is centimeter. How centimeter will be defined? It will be defined in short length, not very short, it will be in short length, like a piece of small cloth, so it will be measured in centimeter. And next is meter. Meter is to define, to measure the big length, like long length, like a piece of long cloth. To measure the table, base of table. Next is kilometer. Kilometer is to find the distance from Chandigarh to Patiala, from Mandi Gobindgarh to Delhi, to find the distance, how much distance we have covered by car. So let's start the conversion of meters into centimeter. How to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit? A meter is a larger unit than centimeter. So meter is the larger than centimeter. So how to convert meter into centimeter? Let's take an example. 2 meter. So we want to convert 2 meter into centimeter. First of all, we will write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here 2 meters are given. So we will take this 2 meter is equal to it. This number will be multiplied by 100. So it will be 2 multiplied by 100 centimeter. Then 200s are 200. So it will be 200 centimeter. Next is conversion of centimeter into meters. So next is how to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. First of all, take an example of this method, that is 500 centimeter into meter. So how to convert 500 centimeter into meters? So first of all we will write, that is 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. In this method we will write like this, that is 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. we will take centimeter first is equal to meters. So in this method there 500 is given, so 500 will be divided by 100. To convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we will divide it by 100. So it will be 5 only. So answer will be 5 meter. To convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we will divide by 100 and 2 zeros will be removed. That will be 5 meter. So let's start the exercise 8.1 of this chapter. Question number 1. Convert each of the following into centimeter. So in this question, we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit. So what we will do? First we will write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here 5 meters are given. So we will take 5 meter is equal to, so 5 is multiplied by 100, that is 5 multiplied by 100 centimeter, it will be 500 centimeter. Because we have to convert bigger into smaller unit, then it will be multiplied by 100. Now question number 2 is convert into meters. So let's take first part. 200 centimeter is equal to meters. So we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. So what we will do? First of all we will write 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So here 200 centimeters are given. So we will take 200 centimeters divided by 100. So it will be divided by 100 because smaller unit is converted into bigger unit. So zeros will be removed and it will be 2 meter. So our answer is 2 meters. Question number 3 is convert into centimeters. So in this question, both the units are given combined, like 5 meter, 8 centimeter. So we have to solve first both these units, then we will convert into centimeters. So first of all, we will take bigger unit. So we will convert first bigger into smaller unit. How we will do? First we will write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So after that 5 meters are given. So here we will write 5 meter is equal to 5 multiplied by 100 centimeter is equal to 500 centimeters. So first we have converted bigger unit into smaller unit. So here in this question one more smaller unit is given, that is 8 centimeter. So answer is 500 centimeter. So we will add both the smaller units like 500 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So at the end we will add 500 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is equal to, that is 508 centimeter. We will add both the same units like centimeter and centimeter. 500 plus 8 centimeter is equal to 508 centimeter. So our final answer will be 508 centimeter. So we will write here 508. So hope all the concepts are clear to you. So with the help of this video, try to do rest of the parts yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.